Today I'm going to be unboxing a ProFusion Heat 5000 watt. I bought this through Northern Tools here locally. They retail, I believe, for $150, but they had them on sale for $90. As you can see, this is everything that comes in the box. Obviously the mounting bracket for either your ceiling or your wall, the unit itself, and then the hardware, mounting hardware, and the instructions. This is the front of the unit. You can tell it has fins to direct the air whichever way you'd like. It has a control center, I guess you would call it, where all the knob indicators, heat range indicator, your power indicator light, your warning light, and then your, I believe this is your on button, which range you'd want it on, either 3000 watt or 5000 watt, or off in the center. This is the side of the heater. Both the left and the right side are identical. They have these knobs that you remove in order to install the bracket. And this top one you can index in order which way you want to face the heater. This is the back of the unit. As you can tell, there's a metal grate and a fan with 5 fins, metal fan. Little motor in there, and the wiring that runs to the bottom of the unit. This is the bottom of the machine. As you can tell, it's kind of upside down, but right side facing, I guess. But in order to open this up, there's a screw here and a screw over here on the side. I don't see any on this side. Just pull this open, and all your wiring is under here. As you can tell, it's pretty simple to wire up. You would break one of these open in order to have your wires running in. This side, right here in the back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots you can kind of open up depending on which way your wiring is running from. There's L1 and L2, and your ground you can run right here. And you can run your main live wires through here and just pull this. Whoops. Pull this in order to lock them in there so they don't wiggle around. You can tell these bulbs up top aren't really bulbs. They're more like little covers, and then your light is actually under them, and they're hot glued in there. So I don't know how hot the bottom of the unit gets, but it might, in the long run, be a problem where the glue gets too hot, melts, and your light either falls off of the glue or stops working completely. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll probably be installing this in my garage and doing some wiring.